All right, gents, this is our property here that we're on. Some of it. And we got the snowcat with us. We got a good amount of snow on the ground. If you can look, I'm up to my knees in some spots. It's pretty deep. And it's pushing along pretty good through it. It is a little bit harder to steer for it when it's moving through the snow, which is to be expected. I mean, but otherwise, it's doing a pretty good job. Got at least, you know, a good 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet in some spots. Got to jog to keep up with it. All right, so that's about it.